So there are two other parts, main ideas that are covered on this quiz, and the first one I'm going to look at is the different types of charging. So you can see here, this is the matching part that I was referring to in the narrative, and so I give them different situations as seen here, and I give them about 6 or 7 of those different situations. They could be examples, they could be just definitions, but they have to match which type of charging it is for each type. Another type of charging example would be the one number 10 here. So you're looking at an example where I would rub the balloon on my head and then I stick it to the wall and the balloon stays on the wall. So why does the balloon stick to the wall? And so you're looking for that you have first, both objects are neutral. You rub the balloon on your head and then the balloon becomes charged. And because it is charged and the wall is neutral, the balloon polarizes the wall and it sticks to it. So those are the types of problems I'm looking at for the charging situation. Other types of questions, the last part of the quiz is asking them to figure out what type of charge different things are. And so these two questions are using the triboelectric series. The first one just asks if two objects are rubbed together, which is going to be positive, which is going to be negative. And then in number 19, it's a little bit higher level question. What would happen if you have two objects that are rubbed together and then you bring it by a wood door, which is neutral? What's going to happen? So if you have a neutral object and a charged object, they're going to attract. And so this one they've seen before, but this was the most commonly missed question on the quiz. I'm not really sure why, because we've gone over that neutral objects and charged objects are going to attract, but I don't know if they looked at the wood and thought it was at a different place than the glass, and that's why they said repel. I'm not really sure about that. I also give them some of the questions where you have the sphere that is brought near a charged sphere. What is the charge of the sphere after touching, or if it's polarized? There's a couple of those questions as well. So different types of charging, figuring out what the charge on that object actually is.